Your question is, how many types of justice has been enshrined in the preamble of the Constitution of India? Your options are A 2, B 3, C 1 or D 4. Right answer is B 3. Your question is, India's national animal is. Your options are A deer, B elephant, C tiger or D lion. Right answer is C tiger. Your question is, consider the following statements. 1. India is a democratic polity. 2. India is a sovereign state. 3. India has a democratic society. 4. India is a welfare state. Which of the above statements are true? Your options are A 1 and 2 only, B 1, 2 and 3 only, C 2, 3 and 4 only, or D 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right answer is D 1, 2, 3 and 4. India is a democratic polity, India is a sovereign state, India has a democratic society, and India is a welfare state. Your question is, India is a republic, which implies that. Your options are A the head of the state is elected, B the country is free, C the country possesses a democratic system of government, or D the final authority in the country is rests with the parliament. Right answer is A the head of the state is elected. Your question is, by which constitutional amendment Delhi was given the status of national capital region? Your options are A 67th, B 69th, C 68th or D 70th. Right answer is B 69th. Your question is, which country accepted the policy of dual citizenship? Your options are A India, B Canada, C Australia or D USA. Right answer is D USA. Your question is, Article 17 of the Indian Constitution deals with. Your options are A education, B health, C abolition of untouchability or D food guarantee. Right answer is C abolition of untouchability. Your question is, the scope of the Article 21 of the Constitution was expanded to include right to education because of the decision of Supreme Court in the case. Your options are A Unnai Krishnan vs Andhra Pradesh, B Govind vs State of Madhya Pradesh, C Parmanand Qatar vs Union of India or D Chameli Singh vs State of Uttar Pradesh. Right answer is A Unnai Krishnan vs Andhra Pradesh. Your question is, which of the following was not added to the directive principles by the 42nd Amendment of the Constitution? Your options are A protection of children and youth from exploitation, B equal justice and free legal aid, C uniform civil code or D participation of workers in the management of industries. Right answer is C uniform civil code. Your question is, right to education to all children between the age group of 6 to 14 years is. Your options are A included in the directive principles of state policy, B a fundamental right, C a statutory right or D none of the above. Right answer is B a fundamental right. Your question is, fundamental duties were incorporated in the Constitution of India by the. Your options are A 32nd Amendment Act, B 42nd Amendment Act, C 15th Amendment Act or D 46th Amendment Act. Right answer is B 42nd Amendment Act. Your question is, who amongst the following has the power to withhold assent to a bill after it has been passed by the two houses of parliament? Your options are A the president, B the prime minister, C the speaker of Lok Sabha or D the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Right answer is A the president. Your question is, which one of the following is not constitutional prerogative of the President of India? Your options are A returning an ordinary bill for reconsideration, B returning a financial bill for reconsideration, C dissolving the Lok Sabha or D appointing the Prime Minister. Right answer is B returning a financial bill for reconsideration. Your question is, who among the following Chief Justices of India also acted as the President of India? Your options are A. Justice M.C. Mahajan, B. Justice M. Hidayatullah, C. Justice P.N. Bhagwati or D. Justice B.K. Mukherjee. Right answer is B. Justice M. Hidayatullah. Your question is, who is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha? Your options are A. The President, B. The Vice President, C. The Prime Minister, D. None of the above, E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is B. The Vice President. Your question is, which one of the following is not explicitly stated in the Constitution of India but followed as a convention? Your options are A. The Finance Minister is to be a member of the lower house, B. The Prime Minister has to resign if he loses the majority in the lower house, C. All the parts of India are to be represented in the Council of Ministers, or D. In the event of both the President and the Vice President demitting office simultaneously before the end of the tenure, the Speaker of the lower house of the Parliament will officiate as the President. Right answer is B. The Prime Minister has to resign if he loses the majority in the lower house. Your question is, who advises the state government on legal matters? Your options are A. Attorney General, B. Advocate General, C. Solicitor General, or D. Chief Justice of the High Court. Right answer is B. Advocate General. Your question is, who among the following occupied the office of the Prime Minister of India more than once with gaps in between their political career? 1. Jawaharlal Nehru, 2. Lal Bahadur Shastri, 3. Gulzari Lal Nanda, 4. Indira Gandhi, 5. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Code. Your options are A. 1, 2 and 3 only, B. 1, 3 and 4 only, C. 3, 4, 5 and only, or D. 1, 2, 4 and 5 only. Right answer is C. 3, 4 and 5 only. Gulzari Lal Nanda, Indira Gandhi and Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Your question is, who amongst the following attends the meetings of the Public Accounts Committee of the Parliament? Your options are A. Attorney General of India, B. Solicitor General of India, C. Comptroller and Auditor General of India, and D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Your question is, who is the topmost civilian officer in Government of India? Your options are A. Home Secretary, B. Defence Secretary, C. Cabinet Secretary, or D. Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. Right answer is C. Cabinet Secretary.